Welcome to Drip Irrigation Basics, Part 3, System Maintenance. Cleaning your filters is a very important part of drip irrigation system maintenance. You might notice that it's time to clean your filters if you see that the pressure gauge on the far side of the filter is reading a lower pressure than the upstream gauge. This would indicate that the filter is clogged and therefore not letting water flow through sufficiently. In order to clean the filter, a first step is that when there's water flowing through at a low flow or low pressure, can open the flush cap at the bottom. This will allow any loose debris in the filter to flow out. Turn off the water system, place the cap back on, the flush cap back on, and then you can open the filter housing to remove the filter on the inside. This is a screen filter, but a disc filter would follow a similar procedure. You can remove the filter from the housing, give that a quick rinse, and then rinse this either with a hose or in a bucket of water. And then you can use an old toothbrush or your fingers to very gently remove any remaining sediment that's on there. You want to be careful not to press too hard because you don't want to damage the filter itself and lose the integrity. Also don't want to use anything that's too rough, like a wire brush, for example. Something soft is the best. So once that's clean, give it another quick rinse, and then place it back in the housing. Making sure that it's secured tightly. Turn the water back on and check for any leaks. Flushing drip lines periodically will help remove sediment and increase their lifespan. Install self-flushing end caps or use a method of closing your lines that makes them easy to reopen for flushing. Open the ends of the lines you wish to flush and allow the water from your system to run through them, pushing out any sediment and debris. After flushing, simply close the ends of the lines again. Walk your fields regularly to monitor for leaks. Puddles and muddy areas are good indicators to look for. Leaks are costly, wasteful, and might mean that your plants are not getting adequate water. It is common to find small leaks in your drip line. These can be caused by accidental damage from tools used in field operations such as weeding, or by animals chewing on the lines. It is helpful to have a selection of couplings on hand to match the size of drip line you use to quickly repair any breaks. Mark the location of the leak, then turn off the water to that line. Use a cutting tool to make a clean, square cut about a ½ inch to an inch on both sides of the damaged portion to remove that small section of the drip line. Install a coupler to reconnect the two sides of the drip line and make sure that they are the correct size and fit securely. Turn the water back on to check that your repair is holding and not leaking. As a reminder, open and close valves slowly to help prevent breaks in the system. Use the proper pressure regulator to match the manufacturer's specifications on your drip line. These simple maintenance practices should help keep your drip irrigation system functioning properly and increase the lifespan of the components. We hope these videos provide you some insight on how to get started with drip irrigation. Please see parts 1 and 2 for information on system components and some tips for design and installation. Many thanks to our community partners as well as the USDA OPPE for providing funding for developing this video and related outreach materials. Versions of this video series are available in English, Ilocano, Mandarin Chinese, and Thai languages. Please check out the links in the video notes for more resources that may be of use to you. Happy growing!